which postures to adopt to have a good meditation. I've just told you that cross-legged pose is ideal. But is it ideal for you? Each body is unique. Some people prefer to sit on the floor, while others can't sit without a chair. Because there is such a difference between bodies, we can never expect uniformity. We can never expect all people to adopt the same posture for meditation. The cross-legged pose works well for some, but other people can't meditate like that. If a pose doesn't work for you, then you should not force yourself to adopt it. If your pose distracts you from meditation, it defeats its purpose. It is like the Hippocratic oath, first do no harm. In fact, Patanjali seems to say the very same thing. Sthira, sukham, asanam. Postures should be steady and comfortable. Physical steadiness is necessary. Now, how to achieve this steadiness? There are two ways. The first way is to be forceful. That is not recommended at all. You will be as steady as a rock. Will your mind be as steady? Most likely, it will be busy with the body's sensations of pain and discomfort. Then what becomes your object of meditation? With this approach, you go against the body while preventing the mind from meditating. When can both mind and body be steady? Only when you are comfortable. That is the second way, Patanjali's way. Without comfort, you fidget. You shift your position this way and that. Continuously, you search for comfort. Then there is no steadiness. When you are comfortable, on the other hand, you will have no reason to move. The body does not want to move. You are just fine where you are. Then the body does not distract you. Now it is not as if we are against the body. In fact, we really must thank the body because it is the jumping board from which we dive deeper into consciousness. But we have to jump and not cling to the board.